Watch this video and celebrate Artie's show's 1-year anniversary by drawing a cake. Later on in the show, Bunny Fluffington will sing a song. And stay to the end to watch Mikey's joke break. Come on, let's celebrate. It's time for Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello, little Artie.
Hi, Artie. It's a great day.
Yeah.
The show is 1 year old. Let's celebrate.
Oh, Artie would love to do that. Yes, please. Oh, yeah.
Happy anniversary to the Artie Show. Congratulations on 1 year.
Keep filling the world with color and creativity.
I'm ready. What are we going to draw today?
We're going to draw a 1-year anniversary cake.
Oh, yeah. That'll be great. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah, okay. Let's start.
You can draw along at home, little artists. So, we're going to start by drawing the candle on top of the cake. And we're going to make it the shape of a number 1 because Artie's show is 1 year old. Draw 2 straight lines at the top of the page, the one on the left a little bit shorter. Now draw a short horizontal line across the top.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
Now come down at an angle and then draw a little check mark. Now we have the top part of our number 1 candle. Draw 2 little angled ends. You seem to be enjoying this, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's really having fun. Thank you.
Oh, I'm really happy, Artie. Okay, now let's finish the number 1 with a straight line across the bottom. That's it. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvelous, darling.
Happy 1-year anniversary, Artie. Big bunny hugs to you and all the little artists out there.
Oh, Bunny, that was sweet. Okay, now let's draw the top part of our cake. This is going to be a big oval shape. Draw a curved line on either side of the number 1. Oh, this is making me want cake.
Yeah. Oh.
Whenever we draw food, Artie, it always makes me hungry. Okay, now let's draw the frosting or icing dripping down from the top of the cake. Lots of wavy lines.
Artie's really on a roll today.
It looks so good.
That's right, Betty and Mikey. This is going to be a really good drawing. Okay, little artists, if you're drawing along, make sure to do lots of wavy lines, sort of drip shapes, all the way around to the right side. Looks like Artie's really concentrating on this one. He's very serious about cake. Now, once you've finished with all your drips, connect the last drip to the top right side of your cake.
Oh, let's have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Song break. Yeah.
When you're bored from waiting in line, or when there's troubles on your mind, when the clouds block out the sun, and nothing seems like fun, when you've dropped your ice cream cone, and you walked the whole way home, what can you do to turn it around? What can you do to turn it around? Wiggle your toes, clap your hands, stomp your feet, give like you got ants in your pants. Come on and shake it like you got ants in your pants. Yeah!
Oh, song break.
That was a great one.
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Oh, it was so much fun. Artie loves a good song break.
Are you ready to carry on with your drawing, Artie?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Artie forgot. Okay.
Did you dance along with Artie?
I still am.
Happy 1-year anniversary, Artie's show. Your show fills my heart with song.
Okay, now let's draw the bottom curve to complete the bottom part of the oval shape. Curve all the way up and connect to the left side. That's very good. Are you having a fun day, Artie?
Oh, this is the best day ever.
Well, that's great, Artie. Now, let's draw the left and right sides of the cake. Notice how Artie drew a little hook at the bottom of the line. Now, from the ends of those hooks, let's draw a curved line going around all the way to join up with the end of the right hook. A little bit more, Artie. You didn't quite finish. Good job, Artie. Now draw another curved line just underneath. That's great. And now draw another curved line underneath that one. You don't have to draw it all in one go. You can have a little rest in the middle. That's it. And then carry on from there to the end.
Artie, wanna stop now?
But we haven't finished.
Yeah, just for a minute.
Okay.
Can I have a joke break?
You want a joke break?
Yeah, Artie want a joke break. Mikey, Artie want a joke break.
All right, welcome back to the Comedy Club. I'm your host, Mikey Marker. In case you don't know, I'm the star of the Artie show. Just don't tell Artie. All right, let's start it off with some jokes about animals. So, why did the leopard stop playing hide and seek? It's because he's always spotted. All right. What do you call a pig that does karate? A poke chop.
Oh my gosh. That was so fun.
All right, what kind of sandals do frogs wear? Open-toed.
Mikey Marker is so funny.
Oh, Mikey, that was a really funny joke break.
That was a good one, Mikey.
Wow, Artie! I'm going bananas for your first anniversary. You make art look like a piece of cake.
Hey, did somebody say cake?
Get out of here, cake. Go away.
Shucks.
Go shoo.
Bobby Bananas. That wasn't very nice, shooing the cake away. Okay, Artie, let's draw a plate that our cake is sat on top of. Artie, after we finish this drawing, I think we should go and get a cake.
Oh, yes, please.
We'll see if we can find a special anniversary cake that looks a bit like your drawing.
Artie's excited.
Let's finish the plate by drawing the curved line all the way across the bottom. You can always stop and have a little rest and then continue. That's right, Artie.
Happy anniversary to the Artie show. Congratulations on a whole year of marvellous shows.
Now let's turn our number 1 into a candle. So we're going to draw 2 short lines at the top. That's the wick of the candle. And then let's draw a tear shape above that. That's going to be the flame of the candle.
I finished.
It looks really good, Artie.
Yeah.
Now what?
It's coloring time. done.
It looks great, Artie.
Yeah. Oh, it came out so good. Yeah.
Should we go get cake now?
Yes, please.
Let's go.
Okay.
That looks amazing.
So incredible.
Oh boy, that was fun. So much fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.